Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to contact EA Sports support. Alright, let's begin. First, open any web browser and type EA Sports in the search bar. Once the official EA Sports website appears, click on it to open the home page. On the top right corner, you will see a question mark icon for help. Click on it to access the EA Help section. From here, you can choose either options available depending on your issue. For this example, select Manage Account. At this point, you will be prompted to log into your EA account. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, access security from the left side, scroll to the bottom of the page and select the Delete Account feature. Now, scroll down to the bottom and select Contact Us. This will take you to the EA support page. Here, you will be able to submit an appeal and contact support. So that's basically how you can contact EA Sports support. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.